In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos with Perplexity in 60 seconds. Even though the workflow is incredibly fast, I'll walk you through it carefully so you can get clean, consistent results the first time. First, open your Perplexity account. Make sure you're signed in and on a fresh chat so everything stays tidy. A stable internet connection helps, and using a desktop browser gives you a larger preview while you work. Next, click the Upload Files icon in the message box. It usually appears as a small paperclip or image icon beside where you type. This tells Perplexity you want to include a photo as part of your request. When your file window opens, navigate to the location of the photo you want to edit. Select a clear, high-quality image. JPG and PNG are great choices, and avoid extremely low-resolution pictures, which can limit the quality of the result. Then click the file to attach it. You'll see the thumbnail appear in the chat area. Give it a moment to finish uploading before you move on. Larger images can take a few extra seconds. Now it's time to generate your prompt. In the message field, describe the edit you want, like, make it look like anime. You'll get better results if you add a bit more detail. For example, make this photo look like anime, keep the original composition, smooth the skin, bright, vibrant colors, and crisp line art. Clarity is key. Mention what you want to change and what you want to preserve, such as background, clothing, or facial features. If color or lighting matters, say so, like soft pastel palette or cinematic lighting. After you send the prompt, wait patiently while Perplexity processes the request. You may see a short status message while it works. This processing step is where the model interprets your instructions and applies them to the uploaded image. Once the edited image appears, you can download it right away. Look for the download button on or beneath the image, then save it to your preferred folder. If your browser doesn't show a button, open the image and use your standard save option. Consider renaming the file so you can recognize the version and style at a glance. That's the entire flow. Open your account, upload your photo, write a clear prompt like, make it look like anime, wait for the processing to finish, and download your result. With precise prompts, you'll turn ordinary photos into stylized visuals in no time.